Well, we did have a brief warm up ahead of this cold front, but as we get through the overnight hours, we do have this frontal boundary swinging through. That will bring a dramatic drop in our temperatures, but also a little bit of wet weather in parts of the GTA. We have that chance of some rain showers along this cold front that's expected through the overnight hours. It's relatively brief, actually. By tomorrow morning, we are back into the drier conditions. 3 degrees is where we'll hover right around in the city of Toronto, 4 in Newmarket, 6 in Hamilton. So still above that freezing mark, which is why any of this precipitation along the cold front will be falling as rain. Snow well to our north, but once the cold front moves through, we get a shift in those winds. A northwest wind paired with some colder air will probably trigger some lake effect flurries out towards our typical snow belts, but there is that chance of a few flurries pushing into the north ends of the GTA. Also, a bit of light snow possible towards our southwest by tomorrow night, and that will continue to wrap up into early Sunday. Now, in terms of temperatures, it's a bit of a roller coaster ending off the month of February and entering the first couple of days of March. It's all wind driven behind this cold front, though. Strong southwest winds tonight, upwards of 60 kilometers per hour, and then a strong northwest wind as we get into the first half of the weekend. And that will usher in some brutally cold temperatures, also some wind chill values, which I want to kind of address because -10 is what it's going to be feeling like heading out the door tomorrow. But then that colder air really settles in by Sunday morning, feels more like -18 in Toronto, feels more like the -25s up across eastern Ontario and cottage country. That winter feel is here for the first couple of days of March. -7 on Sunday, chance of a few flurries. -5 on Monday, still looking at wind chill values close to -20. And then we rebound back to around seasonal for Tuesday, a high of +1, chance of some light snow Tuesday night. And then temperatures gradually climb slightly above seasonal, but a little bit of messy weather our way by the end of next week.